Yeah, again. So when you don't educate people, this is what you get. Absolutely tons of rubbish. The Atlantic Ocean is just over there. The reserve is just on the other side of this. It's ridiculous. You walk through this, and the reserve is just on the other side. Where all the birds come from Canada. And just like they're burning it. I don't believe. Burning it all over there. There's tons of it being burnt. Just look at it all. It's on this side as well. And the reserve is there. This is I'm trying to get through to people. The reserve. It's getting burnt everywhere. There's fumes everywhere. Toxins galore. All toxin fumes won't be that close, but that's reserve just over there. That is a reserve, and there's the Atlantic Ocean. And just look at that for a view.